Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can integrate or automate your website with monday.com. So here, as you can see, I am in my monday.com, and if I go to automate section, if I search for websites, for example, if I search for WordPress or Shopify or any other website builders, I don't see any options here. Okay, so that is because monday.com does not currently support any of these websites, like it doesn't support Shopify or WordPress or whatever. So what we have to do in order to connect our website with monday.com is we have to use a third-party app like Zapier. Now I recommend Zapier because first of all it is free. You get a free trial, not a trial but basically a free plan that allows you to do pretty much everything that other people can do, but in a limited access. So go to Zapier, press create button, click Zaps, and it will open up a new page. Here, as you can see, this page will open up once you press that button. Now there is an AI feature. You can tell the AI, but I recommend you do it manually because it's simple. Press on trigger. Now if you want to send data from monday.com to your website, you select monday.com first. But let's say you want to send your data from your website to monday.com, so then you have to select your website first. So I'm going to search for WordPress. uh, WordPress, here we go, select WordPress, and that's perfect. Now in the event you can select what should trigger this automation. What I want is whenever a new post is created, I want to basically send data to monday.com. I have to press continue. Here I have to connect my WordPress account by pressing the sign up button. Then I have to press the second option that says action. Here I have to search for monday.com. As you can see, there's already an option for monday.com, so just select this one. And now you have to select what should happen in monday.com. So whenever a new post is created in WordPress, I want to create uh, an item in monday.com. So I select this option, I press continue. Again, it will ask me to connect my monday.com account. I press the sign as button and I connect my monday.com account. Then I go to test, and basically it will allow me to basically test my automation. Press that button, and that's it. So this is basically a very simple way to connect your WordPress website or any other website like Shopify or any other website to monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.